So in this problem, what I have is I have a cyclist that's traveling a total of 10 kilometers in 11 minutes 40 seconds. And I want to be able to calculate the average velocity of this cyclist. So I'm going to draw my picture. I've got my little cyclist here. It's going to travel a distance of 10 kilometers. And it's going to do that in, well, let's be careful, not distance, displacement. Going to do that in 11 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay? So, and I'm trying to find the average velocity. Well, the equation, one of the equations I should say for average velocity is velocity average is equal to total displacement divided by total time. Okay? So the total displacement is 10 kilometers, and the total time is 11 minutes 40 seconds. But I want to do this in SI, so I want to be able to express my velocity in meters per second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my kilometers into meters, I'm going to turn my minutes into seconds. Okay, so it's 10.0 kilometers. Well, to convert that into meters, I realized that there are 1,000 meters per kilometer. Okay? The kilometers cancel out, and I'm left with this relationship. I've got 10 times 1,000. Expressing that in scientific notation, which is really what I want to do, because I don't like big, long numbers. I'd rather keep them abbreviated. That way I hold on to my significant digits. So I'm left with 10.0 times 10 to the third. Okay? So that's the distance of travel. Let me rewrite that 10. That looks like a 6. Okay? Cool? Now the time, well, I have these 11 minutes. I'm going to leave the 40 seconds alone for right now. I'll come back to them in a second. I have these 11 minutes. Now, to convert that into seconds, I know that 11 minutes, well, there's 60 seconds to 1 minute. These down here cancel with that one. And I'm left with 11 times 60. Now, here comes the thing. 11 times 60, I could do that in my head. You may not be able to. There's a shortcut. What if this was 10 times 60? Well, that would be 600. Okay? But if I did 10, I have 1 left over. So 1 times 60 is another 60. Okay? So the total time for 11 minutes is 660 seconds. Now I'm going to add that 40 back in there, and I'm left with 700 seconds, or 7.0 times 10, 1, 2, to the second power. Okay? Now to get average velocity, I go V average is equal to my distance. Move this down a little so I have some room. Which is my distance divided by my time. Now, doing this with my powers of 10 over here, I can do something really, really quick, which is drop this and drop that. Okay? 10 to the third divided by 10 to the second is going to leave me in nothing more than 10 on the top. Okay? So 10 times 10 is 100. I'm going to go back and say that's 100 divided by 7. Okay? And, you know, I could do the math and I can make this easier and simplify it down, move the 7 out of the way, but I really don't care. So that's going to be 100 divided by 7 meters per second. Okay? That's the average velocity of the cyclist.